Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter juice. First, gather your ingredients. About 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 cup of water, and a tablespoon of honey or another sweetener. You will also need a blender, measuring cups, and a spoon. Selecting a good quality peanut butter is key for a delicious result, so pick your favorite brand. Now, let's get blending. Carefully add about 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter into your blender. Next, pour in 1 full cup of water. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high for approximately 30 to 45 seconds. You want a completely smooth consistency, so ensure there are no lumps remaining before moving on. To enhance the flavor, add about 1 tablespoon of honey or your chosen sweetener to the mixture in the blender. Blend for another 10 to 15 seconds to ensure the sweetener is fully incorporated. Taste your juice and adjust as needed. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply add a little more water and blend again until it reaches your liking. Your homemade peanut butter juice is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into a glass, perhaps over some ice for a refreshing treat. Any leftover juice can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. It's a unique and tasty beverage. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.